Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Music Creativity. Today we will be looking at the musical alphabet and then focus on finding all the C's and F's on the piano. Unlike the English alphabet, music makes use of the first 7 alphabets, which are A, which is the first of the English alphabet, the first of the musical alphabet, and also the first key that can be found on a standard 7-octave piano. The next set of alphabets will be B and G. Now, it may seem awkward picking random alphabets instead of sequentially, but the reason is because in our previous episode, episode 1, we focused on B and G as boy and girl. The next set of alphabets would be C and F, which would be our case study for today, and then finally D and E. Focusing on C and F, we can easily give C 2 points, and then we can give F 3 points, or 3 dots as I like to call it. Now this principle will help us in the long run. For example, when you focus on C, you will notice that the 2 dots on C are right in front of it, while the C itself is behind the 2 dots. When we apply this to the piano finding C's, it's very easy this way because the 2 dots translate to the 2 black keys on the piano, which means if the C is behind the 2 dots, therefore your C would be behind the 2 black keys. Let's quickly take a look at the piano and see how this works. So, finding all the C's on the piano, we locate 2 keys and then you have your C. So any 2 keys you find, you have your C behind. Remember, 2 keys represent the 2 dots or the 2 points, and your C is behind the 2 points. So 2 keys, C, 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 2 keys, C. Now we'll learn later on what that is. Now that you know how to find C on the piano and all the C's on the piano, we can apply the same principle to F. F having 3 dots, therefore your F becomes behind the 3 dots, which translates to the 3 black keys. So to find F on the piano, your F would be behind the 3 black keys. Finding all the F's on the piano, the same principle applies. You find the 3 keys representing the 3 dots, you find your F behind it. So you find 3 keys again, you find your F behind it. So you have your 3 keys, you have your F behind it. So in application, 3 keys, F, 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 and 3 keys, F. So in summary, I believe it's very easy for anyone to find all the C's on the piano and all the F's on the piano using this very simple principle. 2 dots for C, 3 dots for F becomes 2 black keys, C behind it, the 3 black keys, F behind it.